Hello my dears, a very warm welcome to my channel and my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe for these delicious lemon ice creams, which are an absolute hit on the internet. Ice cream that the whole world loves. I hope you'll like this recipe too and will be happy to try it out. And now I invite you to watch the video. These ice creams are truly exquisite, perfect for hot weather. Delicious, refreshing, and incredibly easy to make. And with only 3 ingredients. Here I have 2 lemons prepared. Lemons. I washed and scalded the lemons very thoroughly to remove the wax. If you have the option to buy unwaxed lemons, take advantage of it. It will be much easier. Now using a fine grater, I grate the zest. I make sure to only grate the bright yellow outer layer of the peel, and not the white part, because that bitter white pith underneath will ruin the flavor. Next, I will squeeze the juice from the zested lemons. The prepared juice and zest. For now, I set the lemon aside and pour into a bowl 500 milliliters of cream, 36% cream. Next, I whip it. When the cream starts to thicken slightly, I add the grated lemon zest to it, along with 400 grams of perfectly chilled sweetened condensed milk. And everything together, I blend it again. Once all the fresh ingredients are combined, right at the very end of the process, I add the freshly squeezed lemon juice. And mix everything together very well. Before freezing the ice cream, try them to make sure the taste suits you. If you find they are not quite sweet enough for your taste, you can easily sweeten them further during this particular stage of the process by adding a bit more powdered sugar or perhaps some extra sweetened condensed milk. If they are not lemony enough for you, you should definitely feel free to add more fresh lemon juice and some finely grated lemon zest. As far as I am concerned, these specific proportions are absolutely ideal and well balanced. And I transfer the ice cream prepared this way into a container that you can freeze. Believe me, the ice cream smells and tastes delicious. I'm not surprised there's such a hit on the internet. Next, I cover the ice cream with a lid and put it in the freezer for at least 6 hours, or preferably overnight. And the next day, I take the ice cream out of the freezer. I recommend taking them out about 15 minutes earlier, before serving, so the ice cream softens a bit and is easier to scoop. And this is how the lemon ice cream looks, which is a hit on the internet all over the world. I highly recommend them to you, and thank you so much for spending time with me. For your time, all the likes, subscriptions, and comments. I wish you a tasty treat and see you in the next video. See you, bye!